Hey, good morning everybody. Listen, I have mixed up some scrapings from my table and made black with it because it's kind of hard. You can't go lighter. You know, you ain't making white, okay? So, I decided to try, and I've never tried a marble pour on a black background. I don't know how this is gonna work, but so I'm going to use metallics, and I actually threw some glitter in the paint just to see. Well, I mean, who knows, right? It could work. It may just totally swallow it and not work at all, but I hardly ever use this glitter. You know, I got it at Michael's, extra fine glitter. Oh well, if it swallows it up, well, so be it. I should use it more. Oh, so yeah, I thought about just trying metallics part. It might look good. And I wanted to use my scrapings to do something with it. So I put it in a this large container because I knew I needed to add floetrol and some black to make it darker because it was kind of a nasty gray, not a good gray. So I think I had to. So I put like 250 grams of floetrol and about 70 grams of black, and it made it dark gray, but I ended up doing it again, the same ratios, and I got this. So it takes a good bit to change the color, just know that if you try it, because it did me. I just got lucky those other times trying it just with the gray, and you can make great things with gray, but you know, you're limited. And I guess you're kind of limited with black, but you know, thought we'd try, so let's do it. So I got my marble already. Now, I'm just gonna kind of do, I think, like I did before. I really want to try some new things, but I don't want it to go wrong today. Need success. This seems to work. So that's copper, this is silver, and gold. And I also put glitter. Well, I put glitter in the gold, the copper, and gold, copper, and the silver. So we'll see. I don't see it, period, myself, but maybe after it dries, I don't know. I think it seems like I've tried that once and that's what happened, but who knows? We'll find out, right? So I'm just going to kind of throw these around the canvas, and I will speed up the video because I know this is a long process. Alright, so I've got those on there, and I didn't really stay in a row. I just kind of went crazy. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of this around, because I got kind of close with my colors here, so just put a little more of this and get started. All right, I'm gonna, well, let me stretch it just a hair, just to get it a little even. It'll roll better, I think. Okay, I'm in torch and we are ready. Okay, get our marble and hit it. Hit it, girl, hit it. Let's see. Now I'm just gonna go down the middle, I guess, first, and then determine, just, since my crazy colors went everywhere here. Let me see. Just gonna go this way and do it a little differently. Pretty cool. I didn't know how it would do, but I don't want to do it too much, but then again, I want to do it too little. So let me wrap around this one over here and then I'll finish. Okay. So I'm just gonna go off the corners and be done with it. Pretty cool. Wasn't sure about the black. You know, sometimes when you do things with black, it tends to take over, but I don't think it did. It's perfect, actually. Hold on, I see something in my paint again. I don't know if it'll mess it up, but let me look, because, yeah, let's see, where was it? Now I don't see it. All right, we'll have to lift it back up. Get it in the light, I guess. Oh, I see a little glitter, you. I see you in there. I have a little, y'all. Little gold off the edge. Okay. So, this is beautiful, y'all. Look. Whoa. Loving this. Wow. All right, that was using the scrapings from my table. Gotta like it. Pretty awesome. All right, that's it. I'm gonna, make sure when you, and I never say this and I'm sorry, but when you finish, you know how it drips off your sides, just make sure you scrape your edges because it weighs the paint down. It makes it flow over sometimes too much. So just scrape the edges a couple of times after you finish and make sure you torch it and get all the bubbles. And there you go. Same recipe, 1 part floetrol, 1/3 part paint, and y'all have a great day. I'll see you next video. Take care.